experiment where you try to study the estimation of protein from egg. Egg is consumed by many of us and it makes an important part of our daily diet. We know that eggs are rich source of protein which is found in the form of the white albumin, as well as the globulin will give number of fatty acids and minerals. We are today interested in finding out the amount of protein present in the egg. So we have taken two types of eggs. One is the desi egg and the other is the poultry or the English egg. You can see here in this beaker the albumin, only the white part, because we are interested in protein. So only the white part is dissolved in water here. This is the desi variety, and the English or the poultry variety egg, the albumin is dissolved in this beaker. For this experiment you require a reagent which is called as the biuret reagent, or also called as the alkaline copper sulfate reagent. We use a standard which is called as the BSA, bovine serum albumin. Albumin which is removed from the serum of cow. So that's why bovine serum albumin. We will prepare the test tube and we have to quantify the amount of protein. Okay? We not only know that protein is present in the egg, but we try to find how much amount will be present per ml of this albumin which is already dissolved in water. The dilution factor will be considered when we are going to perform the calculations. Here is the calorimeter which you will be handling. The calorimeter is an instrument which will measure the color. Higher the color, more the concentration of that particular material which we are going to check. It will have the filters for particular wavelength. So we are using a wavelength of 620, filter of 620, because our color solution will be on the blue side. So we are using 620 filter. You can see there is a test tube, a tiny test tube here. These tubes are actually called as cuvettes. Okay, they are special tubes which will allow maximum light to pass through and through. But if there is a colored solution here, a lot of light will be absorbed, and accordingly you will get a reading here, the absorbance. But if there is water which is put here, okay, if there is water here, then you will see, for example, I will put my finger on the transmittance. The transmittance is 100. That means through the transparent water all the light is being transmitted. So transmittance is 100, and if I say absorbance is 0. Water is not absorbing any of this light. So absorbance is 0. So this is what I take this as my blank, or I have adjusted the instrument with water, distilled water. In the other, these tubes which are called as cuvettes, this is a calorimeter, it can be a spectrophotometer, and for the ones which are highly sensitive, these tubes either they are made up of quartz or they can be made up of diamond too. So these are the tubes which are here, which I can use to pour the sample. Once I have the sample, I can remove this distilled water, insert my tube, and a reading will come which I will observe. So let us first now prepare the test tubes for this protein estimation. We have prepared 4 tubes here. We have a tube here which is called as the standard tube. Standard means I know the concentration of protein here. and that is because I have used the BSC, okay, the bovine serum albumin 1 ml, and I know how much quantity of protein present. So I can take the reading of standard, which will be used in the formula for calculations. So here is the standard, okay. Then I have the blank. The blank is the tube where I used all the reagents but not the sample, not the protein source. So egg albumin is not used. Instead I used distilled water and used the reagents. So there will be some color because there is a reagent used, but there will be no protein color here. So I can use this blank. An experimental minus blank is going to give me the delta OD. The OD is optical density or the absorbance. Then I have here two tubes. This is E1 and the other one is E2. This I have prepared from here. Okay, that is, in the E1 I have taken the Desi one, and in the E2 I have taken the English one. So here I have taken the protein source albumin, then added the biurate reagent, shake the tubes and wait for about 15 minutes for the color to appear. Now the color is ready, and we will now measure this colors on the calorimeter and then calculate depending upon what type of absorbance we get for the blank, for the standard, for the E1 and E2, we do the calculations. Here is the blank tube giving a reading of 0.3. We take the next E1. And insert it into the slot, and we have a reading 0.35. We take E2, and the reading is 0.32, right? And now we take the standard, and our reading is 0.43. So our blank was 0.3. So we will do experimental minus blank, and then we get the delta OD, which we will use calculations and find the amount of protein present per ml of the albumin solution which is diluted. The diluted factor will be considered and the protein estimation can be done, and we can see the reading for the E1 variety was more than the E2 variety. E1 is Desi egg and E2 is the poultry egg. So that means the amount of protein in Desi egg is more than the English variety. Thank you.